Look at these amazing basil. Hello, students, and welcome to our next episode of Tower to Table to Tummy Cooking Shows with Bronx Machine and the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse. Today, I just finished harvesting all of this basil right out of this tower garden. And I'm so excited to bring it to the kitchen and see what we can cook up with it. Wow, does this smell amazing? Have you ever smelled fresh basil? It's intoxicating. Basil can be used for so many things. It can be used in salads. It can be used in soups. You can make pesto. You can put it on pizza. There's so many things to do with basil. I could go on and on. But I'm really excited to see what we have here. I see 6 plates. Almonds. Looks like oranges and 3 empty plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I didn't know better, today I think that we'll be making our tower to table blowout basil salad with the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse. I'm so excited. I think the first thing we'll do is actually learn how to harvest the basil and pull the leaves from the stem. First, we chop off the stem. We don't want to eat the stem, and we certainly don't want the roots. Bye-bye, roots! Now I see, again, 6 plates and 3 empty plates. That means 1, 2, 3. I bet half of this salad will be the basil. So we need to fill these plates up with some fresh, delicious tower to tummy basil. Wow, it's that easy. You simply pull off the leaves right at the base. Look at how quickly those leaves come off and wow, it smells so good. And look at how quickly the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse are getting the leaves off the stem. Mr. Jesse, can you go slowly and show how you are just ripping those leaves? Students, it's so easy to do it at home. And wow, look at how beautiful this delicious yummy basil is. 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, which is half of the recipe. Now students, one thing to make sure no one at home is allergic to nuts because we have almonds. So if someone's allergic to nuts, no almonds. Now, I wonder, how are we going to assemble all of this? I see the basil there. Wow, you simply pour the basil right into the big bowl. Boy, it's so big and fluffy. Look at that. Wow, another 6 of basil. Now, interestingly enough, I see we have some very interesting kinds of citrus. I see 2 kinds of citrus. We have oranges and then blood oranges. Blood oranges are called blood oranges because they have red inside. But you can use any kind of citrus fruit you like. I like lemon thyme, but some people prefer grapefruit. And simply then you're going to squeeze the juice of that citrus all over the salad, making a wonderful tart and delicious recipe. Wow, I can smell it from here. It smells like a green, orange, citrus dream. That's right, it is the tower of the table. Blowout basil citrus salad. Try saying that 5 times today, students. You gently toss the salad so that the citrus pieces and the basil mix together. And remember, students, always wash your hands before and after cooking food. And also, if you're cooking for strangers, please remember to use some gloves. Next, we'll add in a sprinkle of almonds, and they give this salad such a great crunch, such a great flavor. Look at that. And then, maybe for a little touch, I see we have a lime. Cut the lime in half, always using the back claw. Squeeze it on top, right on citrus time, and add yet another flavor, texture, and scent to our salad. Remember, students, presentation is everything. We don't always eat with our stomach. We also eat with our eyes. So remember to take the time to prepare your salad with love. This salad can be stored in the refrigerator. It can be packed for lunch. It's great for a snack or as a side salad for an entree. I hope you enjoyed cooking with us today. I can't wait to eat. And Mr. Chef Jesse and his magic hands and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.